Ninja bird.
Ninja bird.
Ninja bird.
You see it on the camera?
I don't want to go too low because he's going to come over to my hand and be like, hello, and then eat it.
Do you want me to find it with the camera? Or have you found it?
Oh. Yeah, I can see. Oh god. Oh god. Rip bird. Rip bird. Rip bird. Bird's found. He's dead. Rip. He's smelling it. He's like, oh yeah boy, I smell that shit. It smells good. Oh shit, no. No. No, Garfield.
What? You've seen it?
No boy. He's like, oh,
if I let him go, he's just going to jump down.
He said, no, I want that. Give me that. No. You stay over this side.
He's like, no. Hold the cat real quick. I'll see if I can hide it up in the
Ow!
tree. And that fucking spiky tree.
Bit, I got a booty attacking me. Hold on, Garfield. Oh, I gotta put you down there. No. No. You stay. You just stay here. No. Don't you run away.
There you go. Let Garfield go.
Alright.
He's in the middle of the tree up there, I think.
Garfield, you fucked. You can't get him. He's like, oh shit. Oh shit, where's my food?
Go look for it, Garfield.
He's at my mouth.
It'd be really funny watching him jump into
He's like, with that shit. I want that. He's like, oh yeah boy, he was under here. I can smell him.
Do you think you'll find him? He's like up here.
Eventually. I don't want to scare him out.
Oh, he's in there somewhere. Yeah, that's probably going to kill him in there.
What?
Unless he can get his way out. Birds can generally do that, but not if they've got fucked up legs.
Well, David Attenborough right here.
Yes.
Oliver Attenborough.
Fucked up legs. Very technical term.
Yeah, boy. Oh, what is that? Is that cunt? Cha boy. Garfield, where is it?
Is this, what vlog number is this now?
I don't know. It's not even really a vlog, it's just ninjabird.exe. Oh, ninjabird.flv.
Ninjabird.
Oh, Garfield's like, No! No, Garfield! No!
Found it.
Yeah, he has. Oh, his belly's wet. Ooh. You can't look
he's
at
up further. Garfield can't get him.
Garfield's like,
Go around. He's just like fucking ripped open a bit of the tree.
Garfield, what are you doing? No, you can't get him. No, he's too high. Too high for you. He's too good for you, Garfield.
You see him?
He's mldbird.exe. Oh shit, look. Well, this guy's giving up. He's like, nah, fuck it. Can't be there. I'm too bothered. Not bothered.
See if you can find him, dude.
Oh god. Bird!
Garfield knows where he is, he just can't get him.
Oh. Oh, there he is.
Really?
Yep. He's right there. Oh, Garfield got so close to him. Nice ringtone, Oliver.
Thank you.
Bird. Garfield, you're a playboy. I found it first try. Unique yourself.
I don't know, there's no one at home.
Are you sad now? You couldn't find your bird.
That's weird.
Rip Garfield.
Saving a bird.
You're so dirty now. What are you doing? Garfield, I'm not cleaning you.
Cat
You're
ripped
cleaning
open its
yourself.
leg, so we put it in a tree to get it away from the cat.
Oh gosh, she's coming back.
Yeah. Do you know what I... What?
Garfield, what are you doing? Oh shit.
I don't know where they went.
Garfield's going for him. Garfield, you can see him from here. Come on. You're a noob. You suck at this. Come on. Look at this noob.
Alright, I'll see you soon.
You suck. Come on. Get him. Yeah, come on. Just climb up. Get him. Climb in the tree. You know it. Come on. Believe in yourself, big boy. Oh shit, he's going for another try, Oliver. Oliver, he's going again. Oh, you'll see you can see him. Oh, he's yeah, I know he's a bit higher. Okay. He's right, yeah, he's right back there.
I love you. I'll see you soon. I see him. Fuck, he's so fucking close to being killed by that cat. But I don't think Garfield can climb that high in that tree.
No, probably not.
He'll probably just fucking try and fall backwards.
Yeah, oh fuck, I want to see that.
It'll be funny. I should race one of those. When I have a faster car.
Garfield, you pleb.
How do they live down that driveway?
Yep. Garfield, you suck. I'm just worse than Garfield. No, this is great.
The bird will live for another few hours.
Yay. Wrecked, Garfield. You got
Until Garfield figures out
how to climb up a tree.
Yeah.
Come on, Garfield. You can
I remember
climb up
my
a big
cat
tree.
was fucking hanging upside down, climbing on the bottom of a branch to get a bird at one point, and the bird flew away.
Wrecked.
And it was like fucking that high, like the height of your roof.
Oh. I think he might have. Oh shit, he's gone again. He's gone again. Look out. Oh shit, look at this. Look out. He's so determined.
You gotta view it from the right angle, Dylan.
You suck, Garfield. Come on, get him. Get him. Climb up. Go. He's going in. He's going in. Look at this. Look at this. Oh shit. Oh shit, Garfield's going in.
Can't get to it.
The bird's like up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bird's all good.
The bird's right there.
Garfield can't get shit.
The bird's about that far in front of his face.
Alright, hold on. Take that real quick. I'll walk around.
Ninja bird.
Oh shit, he's trying to get away. Or he's just sitting on a brick. Don't know. He'd rather. Fucking hell. We can make a TV show.
About saving birds from cats.
Saving Private Bird.
Saving private chirpers.
Oh shit.
Give it another
is he
go,
going?
Garfield.
Is he going again?
I don't think he can get to it.
No, he can't. He's too pleb.
He could maybe touch it with his paw, but...
You're a noob, Garfield. You suck. I'm roasting him, but he doesn't even give a shit. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh,
He's about to give up and jump on the fence.
Yeet.
Parkour.
Look at that boy.
Cat's legit no parkour.
Yeah, no, he's beast. Cats are like way better. Way better than
You know the
humans.
Avatar series?
Yeah.
You know how the fucking the mole things were the first earthbenders and like the fucking bison were the first airbenders? Well, cats were the first parkourers.
The cats were the first
Ninjas.
Gravity benders.
Gravity benders, there we go. Have you seen Korra?
No.
Have you seen All of Aang? You need to. It'll be another series that'll get you hooked.
Oh god.
And then you'll want fucking the next Avatar series.
Yeah, I'll watch that movie, but it's pretty pleb.
The movie is fucking shit.
Yeah. The Fire Nation. Oh yeah.
And they have to have fire near
Oh,
them
yeah.
to fucking firebend in the...
Oh,
and
Fire
the fucking,
Nation.
Dude, they have to have fire near them to firebend in the fucking movie.
I just realised.
And they call Aang Ong.
Yeah, it's terrible. I just realised that
You know what it
bird
reminds
is
me
an
of?
airbender, and this cat is
The gravity bender.
yeah, gravity bender, obviously. Even though he can't
Dude.
make himself float up.
Dude.
Not moist.
Can't remember what I was going to say.
Oh shit! Oh shit! He's gone again. He's gone again. Look at. Oh, he's trying a different way. He's going in. Please walk in, Garfield. I want you to. Please do it. That'll be
try.
fucking hilarious.
He'll
I'll
try.
give him a little push. Hey. Oh shit! Don't tell me I have to go. Okay. Yeah, climbing, Garfield. All good. All good. Oh shit! Oh shit! Yes, do it. Do it. Do it.
Oh,
Do it.
You got this on film?
Do it. Do it. Oh, the camera's about to hit 10 minutes. It stops recording at 10. Oh, I got it.
Can you just record again though?
Yeah.
You join them?
Yeah.
Or you just change the settings so it
yeah,
records
but-
for longer.
Don't know how to do that, eh? Oh, meow. Garfield, you pleb. Oh, yeah, go. Come on. Determination, Garfield. Oh, shit, what's this thing?
He's thinking, oh, this is going to fucking fall. I'm
Yeah,
gonna fine.
I want you to do it, Garfield. Oh, damn. We hit that cap. Come on. Nearly hit that cat for 10 seconds off. I actually stopped it. Gafford. Oh shit. Oh shit. Man, did you see how fast he got up that time? Oh shit. Oh, no, let me get this for you. Gafford, what's in there? What's in there? Let me Gafford you. Gafford. Oh shit. Oh shit. He's so deep in. Oh, giggity. Oh shit.
Look at his ass.
Bowled it. Oh shit, he's going in.
No, he's thinking,
fuck that. He's fuck that. I can't gravity bend my way out of the situation.
He's thinking, shit, I can't get to this one cat. No, there's one bird.
Ripfield.
For a second I thought you were taking a video of his anus.
Booty. Gaffer, what's snowing?
Spying on the neighbours.
No, he's spying on your car. He's like, I'll eat that.
I'm gonna
bullying
go.
me. Oh, rip.
I'll see you later.
Rip Oliver. Oh man. Oh. Race car.
I would say I'll come back in my Celica, but that will mean I won't come here for a few months. Till a year.
Steering wheel. Oh gosh. Garfield, have you given up? You given up? Oh no, he's going back. Look at this boy. I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it didn't even matter. We've got Garfield cam. This is on his head. Oh shit. We'll get air view. Look at this. Beautiful. Ginge. Hey Garfield. Gingy. Oh, you're so sad you can't get your bird. Ripfield. Man. Come on. You're gravity bender. I'll get all this shit off you. You're dirty ass. Nasty Garfield. Oh, that was all over my hand. Yucky. Garfield, just go in. Get him. Come on. You can do it. Move your tail. Move. Get out. Oh shit, yes, do it. Man, look at that paw down there. Ooh. You gonna do it, Garfield? You do it. I dare you, Garfield. Do it. Get your tail out of here. Slice it off. Oh shit, look at this guy. When you see that ass. Garfield, what's doing? Oh. Garfield, there's more birds over there. You should go get some. No, birds land here all the time. He's like, oh, who did that? Was it a bird? Oh. Garfield, all you're hearing is just other birds. You wanna get this one? Do it. I dare you. Yeah, no, that bird's gonna die very soon anyway, so. If it hasn't already, of course. Because Garfield already ripped all of its skin and fleshness off here. So you can see its bone. It's nasty. Oh shit, he's going in. Yes, do it. Look at that paw. Man, rubbing your face around there, Garfield. Me? Big boy? Look at this dude, I got a style. Wrecked, Garfield. Wrecked. It's not that great focus at the moment, but let's keep it nice and close on the sexy boy. Oh shit. Now it's the wild Garfield. Dun, 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 dun. Oh shit, Garfield. Garfield, what are you doing? Garfield, what are you doing? Oh, he's gonna try this way. Yeah, boy. It's your boy. Skin penis. Hello. Ooh. Some bees over there if you want to eat them, Garfield. We're gonna go hit. Oh, bug. Focus. Fuck. It's fucking moving around in there. Where is he? Oh, there he is. No. He's still alive. Same breathing, yeah. Wow, it's amazing. Kathy just got rained. Look at this. Look at this dude. Shit from the trees falling on him. Rip. Look at his back. It's so messy. Oh no, it's starting to get moisturized from the sky. Go Garfield. Go Garfield. Buddha. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh man, I'm on such a weird angle right now. Oh shit. Look at it, this is what I'm seeing. I'm leaning over. What's in there, Garfield? You just up there a bit. Now, you giving up? Buddy Garfield. Well, he just looks back at that mole. Squatches. So blurry. Blurry Garfield. Oh, lovely. Right. Well, I'm gonna end this video off here. Well, maybe, unless he starts doing some more funny shit. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. So hit the little bell icon as well, right beside it. So you get notified every time I upload, or Cedric uploads on here. Links for everything are in the description as always. And like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you disliked it, you know, all that jazz. And I'll see you in the next video.